morning. Rude. She's talking. Good morning. Hello. Yeah. What?
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now I'm losing sleep. What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay.
Good morning. Please ignore the mess that is my bedroom. I'm DIYing today, so I've just moved everything away. I just need to move the bed away now. I moved our bedside tables away from the wall. We're going to be painting this wall here, so you can already see I've started to put the masking tape. I thought I was going to suck at doing that, but actually it's not that bad. It's quite easy once you know like what to do. But yeah, I'm just winging it really. So yeah, this wall will be a nice colour before the end of the day.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say.
Don't really know how like perfect I need to make it, because I don't know, I'm just making it as perfect as I can, which is why I'm taking like the bite-sized kind of pieces, because I just find it easier to like maneuver about a little bit. But yeah, I don't know how much you'll actually see if it like goes up onto this curved bit of the ceiling. I can't remember what it's called. I know that the bottom is called a skirting board, but I don't know what that's called. But yeah, so I'm just trying to make it as perfect as possible. Might take a little bit longer, but it's actually not taking too long overall, so don't mind.
Find a way, slow it down. Dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride. There's those ups and those downs. It's what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time. Time. What makes it worth the while? You will make it in time.
So I finished masking tape everything. I've moved the bed back. I've got my sheet down, and this is just an old bed sheet that we didn't like anymore, and we started using it for the painting the fence. So we're doing that again. And I've just texted my mum and my dad because I'm not sure. There's like a lot of bumps. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's a lot of bumps in some places. I've just scratched that one off. So I don't know if I should sand those before painting. I mean, a lot of them are going to be behind the bed, but if we ever want to like move the room around, then it's probably better to just have it done. So mum said yes, so I'm just flicking the sandpaper over, and it's worked really well actually, like very smooth now. So yeah, I'm going to do that. It's an exciting bit now. I've already opened it. Oh, looks nice. Ignore my stirrer, okay. Oh, it's very thick. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna give this a proper mix off camera and see what happens. So put the first. Oh, I've already gone outside the masking tape. I should probably not do this whilst filming. I like the colour a lot already. So that's a good sign. I'll update you later.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Slow it down, dreams still yours if you want it. Enjoy the ride, 'cause those ups and those downs is what makes it worth the while. You will make it in time. I never left a stone unturned, trying to find some love in this crazy world. I feel like I was never heard. All I wanted.
I think I'm struggling with the... Oh, that's probably why. It's come out. Oh my god. I was just about to say, I think I'm struggling with the thing. That's probably why. But as well, we couldn't figure out how to do this. It was really hard to like get the stopper off. So we've only got one of them. So we've got a stopper here, but there's supposed to be one here to keep this side like steady as well. Couldn't get it out.
You will make it in time. You'll make it in time. Time. You'll make it in time.
Look what utter dickhead ran in the paint. It was you, wasn't it? All over my carpet. Luckily I've stain sprayed that very quickly. Okay, I'm gonna wash you. Can't stay like that. I know. Ta-da! I finished it. It looks really good, I think. I'm trying to show you, but it's just block colour. Anyways, so now I've got to do the most exciting bit. Gotta take these off. So it's kind of like a terracotta kind of colour in person. I really like it. Oh, that is satisfying. As you can see, I did make some boo-boos, but it's looking pretty good. It's bled a tiny little bit, but you're never going to see any of that. And when I do decide I want to touch up these walls, because hi, Joe's just going out for a run. I'm going to touch up these walls because they're a bit scuffed. So yeah, I'll just touch that up, and then I'll tape the orange side when I do that. Okay, so I just thought I'd film a little like mini haul because I ordered some things at work on Saturday from New Look, and they've just arrived today, so why not? Okay, so this dress I have on currently is actually from New Look, and it's like a long kind of flowy dress, and I ordered the same one but in a different colour, so it's like more normal leopard print kind of colour, like this. I actually ordered this one in the size above as well, just because this one's a little tight on my boobs, so So yeah. Probably end up regretting that and then just sending it back and getting the size I'm in right now anyway. But anyways, yeah, so it's literally exactly the same but just in different colour. And I actually have this one, I wore it in my first video. I actually have this one in the short version as well. But yeah, so this was $25.99, which I didn't think was too bad because it's a whole outfit. And then I got another dress. Actually, they're all dresses. And this one is, I actually got oh, this sounds so boring, but basically I got this pattern in like a top as well, so I got it in the dress. I thought that's cute. It's a nice colour, and this whole like tiered thing is very in right now. When it goes out, I'm obviously gonna have nothing to wear, but yeah, I thought it was cute and it's just easy to chuck on, go to the shops, go for a walk, whatever. So I think this one is in the same style as like this dress, but it's a different pattern. Ooh, ooh, it's not a good start. It's like, right, so basically I hate ironing, and I hate anything that will like wrinkle in the wash, so I try to buy things that I know won't need ironing, or I can just hang it up and it will be ready to wear like the next day once it's dry or whatever. And this is like, this is proper cotton. It's like, it feels like pajamas. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. If I try it on and I'm like a bit torn, then I'll just send it back. But if I try it on and I really, really like it, then I'll just keep it and I'll have to iron it. So basically the same again. Well, I don't know if this will be see-through as well, actually. Probably will be. I don't know how I feel about this one, but I like the pattern and I like the style of dress as well, so we'll see how that goes. And then the last one I got was like more of a strappy dress, I think, and it's like this kind of dark orangey red terracotta kind of colour. Oh, and it's got a little tie string as well. I didn't know that, at the back, so that's really cute actually. It looks quite short, but I did get it in the smaller size actually. I don't know why I did that, but yeah, anyways, that's nice. Hopefully it fits well and is nice. If not, I will be sending this one back with this one, if anything. I think the other ones will be completely fine. I'm just worried about this being really see-through and like the material, and then I'm worried about this one not actually like being too short, mostly because I'm quite tall. I'm 5'6"-ish, I think, so yeah. But at the end of the day, like, I'd wear that on a beach or something for holiday, so yeah, it should be okay. Maybe I'll do a try on. Keeping everything apart from the spotty long one, because I didn't really like how it felt, and I don't appreciate it that it was see-through either, so yeah, I think I'm going to send that one back, but the rest I'm going to keep. successful haul. What have you got? Big ugly moth. She's just playing with it. Ooh. What are you doing with it? Oh. Your friends? I don't think he wants to be your friend.